2024 Honda Accord, low tire pressure reset, okay, or the calibration for the TPMS system. Use your steering wheel buttons here, scroll down until you get to settings. We're looking for settings. Once you get there, press the button in. First menu is going to be TPMS calibration. That's what we're doing. Now, before you hit the button, go ahead and make sure that all the tires are aired up to at least 32 PSI, because we're going to save that setting here by hitting this, and we're going to go calibrate. Now, if you had the light on, it should turn off now, but you still need to go drive the car down the street, go drive down to the mailbox or something and come back, and you'll be good to go. Well, if you could support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and checking out the channel. I have tons of videos on how to do resets and key batteries and cabin filters. If you need one of those real quick, check that out. And do me a favor, hit the like button and comment if you could. Thanks for watching the video.